Basically, I'm on my way now. I'm running late because I had to stop, get some petrol, which was my fault. But then also, my DGR, I didn't put somehow the case has come off the side. So the battery keeps coming out as I'm riding along. And the filming keeps getting stopped. So from the petrol station, I've just got some tape, just sellotape, that's all they had. I asked them if they had anything stronger. Nope. So I asked them for this, and hoping that the sellotape just keeps it in place and stops it from falling apart, you know. It's my first ever ride out with like a big group of other people. I've never done that before. So it'd be great to see everyone's bikes and to see what they're wearing and just to kind of ride along through London with them. How's it going? Do you know where it is?
Yeah, we basically got the same vehicle.
Yeah. I just saw a guy going down there. Like going down that road there.
Is it down there or there?
Maybe. I've just seen two guys go down there, yeah, so. Yeah. Probably best to do that. Oh god, we're here. There's a few people also lost like me who aren't sure where we're going. There's a guy here on a big scrambler, not my baby scrambler. Makes me feel a little bit inferior. Oh, fantastic. Look at this. Oh, this is exciting, man. Oh my god. Cheers, buddy. There we go. Okay, so I'm here at the DGR, the first one I've ever done, and it's great. Managed to find the place, and we're just parking up now. I'm with a bunch of bikes. You can see people are all parking up and arriving. The weather is actually really lovely, so it's lovely. I'm right next to a Moto Guzzi, which is really nice. Just got speaking to the guy, and he was talking about the passion for it. Yeah, this is a beautiful seat. How long have you had this?
4 years.
Wow. When did you get the seat done?
3 years ago.
Really? I love it. It's the first thing that we noticed. Me and this other guy were like, oh wow. What model bike is this?
It's a Scrambler 900.
It's a Scrambler. So you've modded it out.
Yeah.
So I'm following the crowd right now. I'm just going to go and see what's what. It's really fantastic. Look at these bikes. Look at these bikes. Got Triumphs, BMWs. I don't know where we're going. I think it's this way. How exciting is this? Oh, look at the bikes coming up behind me. Look at this. And I was worried about being late. Oh, here come some of the Harleys. What I'm absolutely loving is it's not just sort of classic bikes. It's just every type of bike. It's like, a small 125. One of them looks electric, I think. You know, you've got just like general Hondas, you know. It's just really great. You've got a Maving, that's the electric one. We've got a Moto Guzzi V35. Harley Davidson, look at that. What is that? I mean, look at this. This is Harvey rides bikes. One of the best.
No.
Yeah, he's an influential figure. But yeah,
thank you.
but yeah, he's looking dapper and good to see the triumph in the flesh.
Yeah.
Anyway, have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
See you in a bit. I think I'm in the way. Oh God. So that's Harvey rides bikes. It's exciting. It's exciting for sure. feeling a bit overwhelmed actually. I'm just a bit like, it's just sensory overload. I mean, just round that corner, through that block, there's no sign of this happening or taking place here. There were no bikes, there was no motorcycle sounds. Turned the corner, parked, and then suddenly just hundreds and hundreds of motorcyclists coming down, different types of bikes, different sounds, different looks, different characters. It's just a little bit overwhelming. And I'm seeing bikes that I've only ever seen on pictures or online for the first time. Going this way, look, as you can see, there's something going on here. I think that's a Triumph Bobber. Look at that.
That's alright, we got
Yeah, everyone's congregating here. I didn't even realise that we were this place was been over there, just sort of loitering around, not sure what's going on. But I think we're supposed to go this way, so let's go up here. Look at this adventure bike. It's got the Dakar decal on it and stuff like that. How cool is that? There's some of the bikes on display here. You've got my Triumph Scrambler, but the XC version. So this one's a bit more, it's just a little bit more off-road biased. Actually, in real life, the yellow looks really cool. And that looks absolutely brand new as well. I guess there's some triggers. I don't know what I'm doing, really. I'm just walking around. Don't know anyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, but really for me it's a celebration of motorcycle culture, and I think that's what we all share. This is a pretty rare, amazing thing. It's a weird niche. If they invented motorcycling now, it wouldn't be allowed. Thank you.
Oh God, I'm literally running because I had to go to the loo just after the meetup. I'm trying to get to the bike in time. I don't want to miss the ride out. Just to quickly recap while I get back to the bike, we had the briefing, that's what we were waiting for. I missed all of the signs that said briefing this way. Oh, I keep thinking it's starting, so I'm crapping myself. Look at this. So yeah, now I'm just heading back to the bike and I'm going to get into the queue and join this ride out, you know. Should be good. My bike is just right at the back over here. I probably should have parked a bit further up because I'm all the way at the back. But it's all good. There was a moment when we were listening to the briefing that I thought the weather's going to be terrible. So luckily it's not been that bad. So let's get on the bike. I'm going to be left behind in a minute. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's a drone. Look, hey! I literally cannot hear my bike amongst all of this. It sounds so quiet. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Look at all these people as well. It's so cool. This is great, man. How exciting is this? This is fantastic. Really cool feeling, this. And you know, my bike, it feels really, really nice, you know, it feels like it fits right in. Oh my God. Oh, now here we are just by the Thames. Westminster's a bit further down. This is lovely, it's a beautiful day. It's a street twin front of us, and a bobber, maybe another street to it, I'm not sure. And then there's this one, Triumph Limited Edition Bonneville. It's really cool. Checking the bike out. This guy's so cool. He's got like a cigar, open face helmet. He's got this really cool Bonneville, I don't know, classic edition. So we're here. All right. This way? Okay. Okay, this way. The ride out is complete. Just got back now. It's in a different location to where we were. It's kind of a little bit round and felt like I was going to get lost in that last moment, but now all those bikes that were on our phase of the run, they're all parked up here. My bike Scrambler's just there, so I'm leaving it there for a bit, and then I'm going to walk round, and I think there's some like food and stuff like that. But incredible ride out. It was kind of surreal, the whole thing. It was overwhelming, like the amount of bikes, the amount of information. There's just so much going on. I've just been recording with my mic over there. Anyway, the sun's out, beautiful. We've done the ride out, it's been great. Nipped over there, I got another coffee. Looked at some of the street food, but it was just overwhelming. There's so many people there, and I'm going to eat a bit later with Minjung, so I didn't bother, but it was so cool to see. And I just bumped into a subscriber, somebody who knows me from the channel, which was insane. Him and his partner were on the DGR together, and he said he's got the Triumph Scrambler 1200, I think the XC, he said, but basically the superior, bigger version of mine. But it was really nice to chat. For someone to notice me from the channel, it's bizarre. I also want to say a huge thanks to everyone who donated. Aidan, Malcolm, Will, and Monica and Freddie Dobbs. Really thank you for that. I wanted to call you by name, and anonymous as well. Somebody was anonymous. That's nice. But yeah, thank you for the support and the donations. And it's for a good cause, men's health. And I've had an absolute blast. This has just been incredible. Having never ridden before a proper motorcycle last year, getting my license to less than a year later, being on my Triumph in the centre of London. It's pretty incredible because last year I didn't even have a motorcycle license. Got my license in August, got this bike in September, and less than a year later I'm riding in central London on my Triumph, on the DGR, through central London with all these amazing bikes and people. It's just incredible what the experiences that motorcycling's afforded me. I'm super grateful for it. It's been great, loved it. In other news, I managed to fix my, well, not fix, but find a little bit of a fix for my DGI Action 5. This was the issue, look, I don't know if you can see. The battery, this bit here had come off. I didn't realise that was an issue because this bit also had come off as well. But this one I forgot to reattach. So basically, as I was riding to the start of the DGR, the battery was popping out. And I was thinking, oh my God, and it kept stopped recording, coming back on. So I was in a rush. I probably had 5 minutes of extra time before I was late to get there at 10. So I basically stopped at a petrol station, filled up the bike, which also is something I should have done before, and then asked them desperately if they had any sellotape. And he said, oh no, we don't sell sellotape, but maybe ask the counter and they might have some that they just use. So I paid for my petrol. I also said, have you got some sellotape? And he gave me, the sellotape that they're using, and I just, nabbed a bit off, rushed back to the bike and managed to botch it. And it worked the whole way, the whole time. The battery hasn't come out, and I've managed to record like everything I needed to, the whole ride. I feel very fulfilled, and I'm ready to ride back home and enjoy the day. So that's the end of the trip. I've just got back. I'm on a massive high. It was just such a great time. I loved every second of it. It was amazing. And just as I was leaving the place, I bumped into Vic's Rides, who rides around London and gives out these sprouts. He's huge on online, and had a quick chat with him on the bike, and because he gave my partner a bean sprout in the bike shed last year, because she's a big fan, and he gave me another one, and we had a good chat. It was lovely. Just amazing day, amazing weather, lovely to ride back, and just loved it. So very, very happy. So that's the end of my first DGR in London. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.